Can't create account on Instagram, how to fix sign up error. Now if you're not being able to create an account on Instagram, this could be happening due to many reasons. First of all, you want to make sure it is not the fault with the Instagram app, so do not try from the same page over and over again. If you're using Android, long press the Instagram app icon, tap on the eye icon to come to app info, go to storage, clear cache and clear the data. If you are using iPhone, just uninstall and reinstall. Now go to your App Store or your Play Store, search for the Instagram app, check if it is updated to the latest version, if not updated. Now once you've done all that, now you can try to create a new account. Now tap on create new account. First of all, if you're having sign up error, it could mean that somebody has the username that you're trying to use. So you can see right here, if I'm trying to use this username, it will say it's not available. So you simply have to use a username that you have or it's available. Then you can tap the next option. After that, it will ask you to create a password. So make sure you choose your password correctly, which is at least 6 characters or more. Then after that, if you tap on next, you will be asked to enter a couple of information like your email, and once done, the sign up will be completed. Make sure you are using a stable Wi-Fi internet connection, because sometimes that could also be the underlying issue. Once you follow all of these steps, if you come back and open Instagram, you should be able to see your account without any issues. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.